What's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. So, I have a little update on the SLK 350. It is aptly named Cheap SLK 350 for a reason. So, last week I was out with my wife. We were driving around, having some fun, enjoying the Hong Kong highways, and I started to lose some power. I was in the tunnel, so I was just trying to get out of the tunnel, pushing the car until it comes out. And as I just came out, I got a side parking space. I just went in and the car died. And I was getting multiple pop-ups saying BAS malfunction, DAV malfunction, check the manual, and I got the SRS airbag light on and the car just wouldn't turn. I turned it off fully, I tried to crank it, I didn't even get that initial key crank. So I checked the Mercedes forums, I checked what could be the issue and they told it might be the idling issue. So I just had to spin the steering wheel to the left and then to the right couple of times and then start the car up again. I did try, I gave it a shot, but it still wouldn't start, so I had to get the car towed. I had to get the car towed to my friend's garage, Chinawell in Compton. So I called a tow driver, had it sent there. Here's some footage from last week when the car broke down. My cheap SLK is broken again, you guys. So yeah, in this time, in this pandemic time, you would hope that your car doesn't give up on you, but what are you gonna do? So at least, hopefully she's back on the road now. So let's go check it out. I have one of my boys coming and picking me up. We are headed down to Compton to pick up the car. So come along, you guys. Feel the difference, right, from sport mode to eco mode. Yeah. You can feel the exhaust a little bit more. You can feel a little bit more sound in the car. That was like a plane. Check out this road, you guys. Crazy road. that, you're back at China Well. Whew, that was a good drive up. Beautiful, beautiful day. So I'm excited to go check out the car. I can see it from here. It's all cleaned up. Let's hope that she's ready to go. So from my understanding of the initial diagnosis, I think we believe it is a transmission issue. It's an electrical component in the transmission that is giving us the signals. So we're gonna go learn more from Jason now. He's gonna run us down through what were the exact issues and what all they have done to fix the car. Check out this new stock, you guys. Beautiful looking Ferrari, old school Porsche. I think this is a 1988 Porsche. And I'm loving the color on this Ferrari. It's a very KTM orange. And it's a good looking car. It looks Italiano.
Hey,
How's it
how
going?
did you?
Yeah? All good?
Yeah, all good.
Let's go check out the car.
All right.
Hi.
All right. So this one is your transmission control module. Yeah, and this costs you a fortune, man. Yeah, the silver part is control module itself, and this one, the one in the middle, is the speed sensor.
Okay.
Yeah, and you got the whole thing replaced it, so it would be nice for another 100,000 kilometers.
Hoping another 100,000.
I mean, or more, or maybe another one. All right. So
It all depends on how I drive it, right?
this one, this is your old alternator.
Okay.
I guess it's original.
Okay.
From
Oh, this is the
2005.
factory alternator.
Since 2005.
Okay. So we basically got the transmission control module changed and we got the alternators changed. It's because of the sensors in the control module that I was getting these pop-ups on the dash, and we had to replace it there was no workaround for it to continue running, so we had to replace the whole module. And let's hope it turns out to be fine. So let's go give the car a start up and see how it sounds now.